So our VSM range has always been traditionally quite large because we do very big control rooms. So we listened to the market and they wanted us to go smaller, so we brought out the Micro. So it still has the same power as our bigger systems. We're doing 4K blades, 4K content, 4K up to the screens. Our typical market is command and control and security. This has been the bread and butter for the last 35 years for Datapath. But the market is changing. So although we can do control rooms, people are taking these for education. They're putting them into retail zones and into receptions. Because we're so flexible with our products, they're fit for purpose pretty much anywhere these days. I'm always surprised with the applications of use because we go from command and control and then all of a sudden we start doing something in retail, something, I don't know if I can mention brands on film, but people like Debenhams, Stella McCartney have been doing our stuff for a long time. We've done some big rollouts and it's when you kind of think, I didn't realise our product was right for that market. But when you're as flexible as we are and we can still deliver content to any screens, we've actually opened ourselves up to all markets. Because we have listened to the market, like I said previously, we've been able to scale projects. So the competition out there, they're not really moving with the market what they demand. So because we are very versatile and flexible, we can have a unit which is bespoke built for every single application for that particular job. So if you took our competition example, they might give you a black box with too much cost involved, so we can then scale back the costs. But if you get given a black box and then you have to work out how to use it, it's quite difficult for a consultant or an end user to learn that. So we actually come up from a different angle to say, what is it you want? And we'll build it from the ground up for you. Our inventory is kind of what it is, but we manipulate what we have and then we expand on it slightly. So we know what we're good at, we know what we're very good at. So as an example, in this particular area here, which we might show a bit later on, we've got our FX4 product, which has just won a digital signage award, which we're very, very proud of. But we can then do creative stuff. So behind me is the functional application side of things, but when we go into a retail or a creative zone, we can use our FX4 to do something very, very creative.